Meaning of hairpin.
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 Hairpin. A hairpin is a type of clip or accessory used to hold hair in place. It typically consists of two prongs that can be bent towards each other to secure the hair. Hairpins are commonly used for creating updos, braids, and other intricate hairstyles. They come in a variety of sizes and materials, including plastic, metal, and decorative options. Hairpins have been used for centuries, and their design has evolved over time. Today, they remain a popular tool for achieving elegant and complex hairstyles.